Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela the Traveling Crafter, and we're here to sort through quickly this ephemera that has been building up for me to scan and or copy or do something with. So in the last video where we looked at upcoming digitals and things that I needed to scan, I have a whole stack to work on. So I don't remember what's in all this, and it's been building up. So we're going to take a quick look at it and sort it out and see what needs to be filed away somewhere else and what maybe I might want to address now. I think I have a bunch of French ephemera. I don't know what I've got, to be honest. I know this is a French key from France. I do know that. Okay. Let's just move this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. So these are all portraits, which I think would be fun to have in digital form. So those, and I think there's more in here. I could probably get by with doing those pretty soon. Okay. Yeah, these are just papers, primary spellers. So these are just old papers that I wanted to do. This is an antique dress pattern. I probably should maybe do this. We'll see. I'll put it with the sewing stuff, but that sewing stuff that I have, I think, is a little bit newer. This, I don't know. Oh, look at this. Well, I told you. See, I thought I had done that. Hang on, I got all the rest of my milk cogs. And I think I still have some of these on the Maker's Market. Some bundles left, maybe. All right, so those are not all going to fit in there. So I need to find something for all of these. So those will be all added to that digital. All right, well, I'm glad I looked through this. Now I know. What? Oh, yeah. These are, I think I'm going to do these quickly because they're very springy. Okay, I'll do those too. Well, maybe I'm probably going to end up doing the whole, well, no, I'm not, because I see some Christmas in here, and I know I'm not going to do Christmas. All right, let's just put these all in right back where they were in with this bag. At least they'll all stay together. Not my ideal, but as long as I'm scanning, I may as well. All right, so those will all go together. This I've wanted to scan for a really long time. I got this from Mother Tucker's, which is from one of their live sales. Gosh, it's been a couple years ago. All right, I might do that, put that with the calling cards and such. Wrapping paper. And I think all of this is Christmas. And yeah. So we're not going to do the Christmas right now. We got Christmas. Well, those are spring seals. Is this all Christmas? No. All right, I'm going to put those back away for now. Those can go with the portraits. Oh, maybe this too. What's this all about? This is Val's. This would have been her grandpa or great-grandpa, I think. One or the other. And then all of her uncles. More of those. Here's another portrait. And then this is all Christmas stuff. All right. All of that is Christmas. We're not going to do that. We know that. What's this? Oh, these are more drug label things. We'll put those back in the suitcase. We'll keep these with portraits. Hang on, I'm just going to move these over here. Portraits, sewing. I'm going to put these back in the box with those. I kind of want to do these now. These are not going to get done now, and none of this. But I don't think all of this will fit in. I don't think this will fit in here. I'm going to check and see. The last thing I want to do is bend it. Yeah, no, it won't. So I'll have to put that somewhere else. All right. And then last but not least, what is all this business? I don't know about those. Probably not. But I got to start doing these. So if I have all this stuff out already, I could just easily... Oh, I think this is all school stuff. So I had that. See, this is the one I think I might have already scanned. One of these I did. This is all like for my school days journals. This whole thing. So I do want to scan a lot of this stuff. And that's why all of these, see, look at that picture. A lot of these were in here. So I'm going to keep all this together. I'll go back and I'll dig out, and these from that primer, from that antique primer, I'll keep in here too. And we'll take this and put it in my basket to scan, and then I'll take it upstairs, and that way when we're watching a movie, I can get it done. All right. So now that means that this is empty, and I can put it back in my basket behind me, and then I can continue to fill it as things, as I find things. So there you have it. That was really quick, a quick video, but I promised it, so there you have it. Until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.